guys and gals. Today we'll be doing a fly fishing tutorial, and so to get started with this, since it's about to storm, I'm going to try and do this quickly. You must know that we are actually not casting a lure like in spin fishing. We are in fact casting this line, which is weighted, and this allows us to cast super small flies. So to start fly fishing or casting, you want to be able to pull out a decent amount of line from the reel, so, about 15 feet or so. And then what you want to do is go to 11 and 1, 11, 1. And so you want to go as straight of a line as possible, and that will increase your accuracy and how straight your line is, because you don't want curved line, because that will disturb the fish and you won't be able to catch as many fish. And to help fix the problem of tangled messes in the water, what you want to do is when you cast back, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you count to 2 seconds, and that allows the line to unravel, and then then you can cast forward, and it will unravel in the front, and then you can let it set. So what you want to know is that the same thing will happen behind you, line-wise, as the same thing in front. So in the back, it will unravel a loop, and unravel on a loop. And then, so this line is floating line, and there's multiple different types. There's different types of lines. There's sinking, there's suspending. This is, for beginners, the easiest line to learn. It's also weight forward line, meaning that the biggest part of the line is in the front, and that allows for you to shoot and cast easier. Actually, my first fly rod was flat line, meaning that it was the same thickness throughout, and I do not recommend buying one of those rods because they're super difficult to learn on. The rod that I'm using right now is the Redington Crosswater combo, and it's about $130. So it's relatively affordable, and for a beginner you want to get an affordable rod, but this is the 8-weight version. But another fun fact about this is that you can use it in salt water and fresh water, hence the name Crosswater, and that is because it is a full plastic reel, but since it is plastic, it's not as durable as the metal, but it is still a very durable reel. So this is definitely a recommendation for your first fly rod. You don't want to go too crazy expensive, because if you don't like fly fishing, you'll have wasted thousands, possibly, of dollars, because fly fishing is very expensive. So back to the casting. So this is the basic cast that I was talking about earlier. Back 1, 2, 1, 2. You can also do what's called a roll cast, which will allow you to cast without getting as much back room. So you go. Once you have your fly rod at about 11 o'clock on the side, and flip it forward, and that you don't have to have as much room behind you. So like if there's a tree behind you, that, and it'll do the exact same thing as the traditional cast. Alright guys, so we are back. We couldn't continue to record outside because it is raining, and tornado warnings are right now. But so earlier in the video I talked about this fly rod. This is one that I started with. It's the Shakespeare Cedar Canyon 8-weight. I did learn from it. It wasn't the greatest purchase of my life. It was about $50 when I bought it, which isn't too bad for what I got the use out of. But the reel had broken, so that's why there's no reel on it. And it's just not a very good rod. But the rod that I do currently use the most is the Redington Crosswater combo, which is what you saw me casting with earlier. That's a very good beginner rod, but another good option for the beginners is the Wild Water 6-weight beginner set. This is a full metal reel, so you really shouldn't be able to use this in salt water. It's actually built for freshwater, and it's very nice if you want to use it for like trout and small bass and even some panfish. This doesn't cast nearly as well as the crosswater combo, but it's still a good option, and it's only $100. It might even be cheaper now, but yeah, this one doesn't have a fighting butt like the crosswater has, which is, it's right over there. But yeah, but it's got a metal butt, and it's got a carbon. The rod is carbon. And they all have cork handles except for the Cedar Canyon. And I do like the cork handles a lot better than the other handles because it's just more comfortable, and after a while it does get a little oil look, which to me looks really well. And this rod actually comes with a waterproof fly box, which is really cool. It comes with some really nice flies, and this rod, along with the crosswater, come with hard tubes that will protect the rod. The crosswater comes with a tube that will protect it, and it also has individual slots. Well, this one has a sleeve that has the individual slots, and you just slide that into the tube. It'll protect it just fine, and it would be useful for like plane flights and other stuff like that. So I just want to get this out of the way, and thanks for watching.